Hey guys, welcome back to Naked Audio Tutorials. I'm Yong from Sgaudiohive. So in the previous video, we have learned how to braid your own cable. So today we will do the next step, which is to finish the cable and make your first DIY IEM cable. Let's go! Okay, once you have braided your cable to a sufficient length, we can start to do the next step, which is splitting the wires and after the finishing the work. Okay, how do we know the length of the next step? Okay, if you are doing a 1.4 meter cable, basically the industrial standard right now is 80 cm from jack to Y split, 40 cm from Y split to the pin, to the earpiece pin. Okay, I personally will be doing it at 38 cm. Okay, before that we have to put in the heat shrink. This is a 5mm heat shrink. Let's put it in. And the barrel. This is for the jack side. So now for the Y split. Remember we did the color coding. So basically we have a red, blue and two blanks. So we want to have the red with a blank and the blue with a blank. Okay, so we have a blue and a blank, and red and the blank. Okay, the color is coming off. Okay, so what we will be doing is we'll do a twisting for the two wires. Okay, some people we can use a Dremel tool or a drill to do the twisting, but because of tension and torsion, there's an issue with that. We have to do it manually. Everything has to be done manually for this cable braiding session. Okay, so we can do it anti-clockwise or clockwise. What I've been doing is anti-clockwise. Okay, now we have to install the slider, the blue mini silicone slider. You can use a plier, a pair of pliers, to put it through and open it up, and just slide it through. Okay. So the next step, we will tin the wires. Okay, alright, now we have tinned everything, we have put in the slider. So the next step, we have to put in the barrels of we have to put in the DIY pins already. So this is a DIY 2 pin. It's the most common pin for customs and other universals IEM. Okay, so the right side, red color, we take out the pin, put inside the red side, that's the right, and the left is the blue side. We prepared two black color, this is a 3mm heat shrink. So we put them one on each side. It's the same as what we do for the jack, just at a smaller size. Okay. When we are soldering the 2-pin, this is a 2-pin guide for now. A lot of people, they do not know the pin out, or they have to go and check the pin out and everything, but there's one way to remember the pin out. This is the pin out for standard 2-pin. There are some other forms of 2-pin that are different, but this is the standard 2-pin we're going to talk about today. Let me get a needle. Okay. If you look at the standard DIY 2-pin, there should be a recessed part here, a groove here. This is what they call a recessed 2-pin. See the groove? Yeah, you can see the groove. So the way to do it is to let it face up. So this groove will be facing up. We'll do it for the other side. Okay, so as you remember, for the right side, with the groove facing up, the right signal is on the right side. So same thing, we have the groove facing upwards. The left signal will be on the left side. So basic 2-pin, this is very easy to remember. We have the blue marking for the left signal on the left side. Same thing. For a DIY cable, there's 3 parts that we need to glue down. The pin, the jack and the Y split. We have to glue down all these 3. Okay, now for the pin, it is the exact same process, but we have to use glue for this barrel. So we have prepared CA glue. So how do we finish this? It's the same. Let's cut 2 pieces of smaller. It has to be quite small. It's for the inside of the heat shrink. And we put it at the inside and we heat it up. It's just the same as what we did to the jack for both sides. Let's do it. Okay, the next step we will need these pliers. We will need glue. We will need something to drip the glue on using a piece of plastic. We've been using this for a very long time. Okay, never ever pour the glue directly onto the pin. You're going to screw the whole thing up. So let's drip them onto some surface that is not going to be affected. Okay, we get needle. This is the most important part. Get needle. You just thin some of the glue and we draw a few lines. However strong you want it to be, you have to. The more you add, the stronger it is, the more you add. Okay. So remember we mentioned the groove just now. So there is a part there is the other side which doesn't have a groove. We'll match the lettering to that and we push the pin in. You will find it a difficulty pushing it in. So now let's heat it up. And we use a plier. Be very careful not to scratch the barrel and push it in. Sorry. Not enough heat. Or the glue already set in. Need more heat. Okay, the right side is done. Let's continue to the left side. And we are done with both sides. So the last thing, actually this is not the last thing, we still have one more step after this. We have to do the Y split. The Y split is best that you have a glue gun, you use a glue gun. Because you see right now the Y split is not secure. So we bring it back to the current length. We get a piece of glue. Same thing, we cut a piece from the hot glue. And just a small piece is enough. What we want to do, what we are going to do, we find a gap, we will squeeze this piece of glue inside. Okay, can you see it? Try to squeeze it in. You squeeze it in all the way. Put it down. So currently it's holding it by friction. So if you want it to set, take a heat gun or just heat up the Y split. And yeah, it will be glued down. I mentioned we have a final step. That is for the logo. Alright, thank you so much for joining us in the video. I hope that you have learned something today, especially if you want to start building your own cables and you do not know where to get the things, to get places, to get resources, to get the parts. Yeah, You can also check out our website, sgaudiohive.com. Do follow us on Instagram. If you like the content that we are pushing out, please subscribe. And we will be doing more contents in the future regarding DIY. So if you like, please tune in next time. Thank you so much.